Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, because when the vlog comes up it'll be a good evening, but it's a good morning for me. It's around 8 a.m. in the morning, and though I said that the last day of college vlog is already up on my YouTube channel, but the last day was actually not the last day, because our college has just called us for some course. I mean, just when we thought that college was over, it was all done with, our college has decided to get us to do this course, and it's like a full day course where you have to be in college, and they're going to teach us many things, where it's like basically like disaster management. How do we manage ourselves and conduct ourselves or do things in case of a disaster, be it if someone happens to faint in front of us, and we have to be in college the entire day for that. So just thinking about it is making me and actually all my friends get all annoyed, actually not annoyed but just actually already tired, I would say, because to be in college is so hot, first of all, in Mumbai, and to be in college the entire day is frustrating. I asked my friend for whom like the course is already done, and she told me that for 4 hours it's only and only theory. So they'll just talk for 4 hours and explain everything for 4 hours, and you're not allowed to talk. Even if by chance you feel sleepy, they'll keep taking rounds and make sure that you're completely alert. I've told my friend, so Akanksha and we spoke yesterday, and she's like, I'll go early and I'll pick a seat in the end so that we can aram sit in the end, and that no one really sees us, so that we don't have to sit ahead if the class is full and we get late. Let me quickly get ready and then see you all for the official last day of college, hopefully. So also one more update, I had like frames here, 3 frames which read good vibes only, but I thought of just revamping it, getting a little bit of a change, and the new frames will be coming today. So excited to see it myself and show you all as well. Okay, so I'm all ready and leaving for college, and again running late, so bye, see you all in college. Here is my outfit. I love this top a lot, and it's summer season, so very easy and breathy. These jeans from H&M. And yeah, that's it.
Wait, am I looking good?
You're looking quite good. Tell how irritated you are. Whatever you feel about today's session, tell the audience.
First of all, it is very annoying that they are going to make us sit for 4 hours.
4 nahi, 4 hours only theory, plus
Only
4,
theory,
8 hours.
yeah. So 8 hours they are going to make us sit, and first 4 hours is only theory. Like we can't even use our phone, nothing. So just imagine, guys, how annoying it is.
And why we are learning this, we don't know. Exactly. That for that we'll have to ask the coordinator, which is impossible.
That is like next to impossible. We can't even.
But today is hopefully the last day. If she gets something, then.
But we are sitting together, so it will be. Hopefully it will be fun.
Arey, but if they call you for the practical, then what will you do?
No, we will ride.
Also, what we are thinking, when the lunch break is there, it's a 45-minute break, I think. So we'll go for 1 hour, 15 minutes, and come aram se.
Yeah, we have decided that.
So I call. It's 9:50, and I trust me, we are like the early ones here. Hardly 10-15 people have come. No one has come, and we are so before time only we have come. I called my friends, and they are still having breakfast. So, and we are here. My god, the session is very taxing. It's very informative actually, but pretty taxing. So we've just come out for some time to just get some fresh air. Shruti and I, we were just thinking whether we should. Many people were going and coming out, because it's just like it's very hot, and we're not sitting in our normal AC classrooms. So we've just come now to Shruti wanted to go to the washroom, and I just wanted some fresh air, so we just came out, and very tired and exhausted. You want to tell the audience how exhausted you are?
This is very exhausting, and plus it is so hot, so it's very uncomfortable.
It's like horribly hot, matlab.
Crazy.
And we somehow came, and Akanksha ditched her. She didn't come out only.
Everyone are going and
coming, yeah. Akanksha has also joined us now finally, because even she is tired, and
I'm very sleepy.
and we are hungry, and 1.5 hours more is left for the theory, and it's 12:30.
The practical.
So 2 o'clock they'll leave us, and then again 2 to 6 practical. Oh god. This is one of our seniors' post of what we have to do in the practicals, and it's so funny, but it's of course very important. So yeah, though we are tired, it's a very important session because it tells you how to cope with disasters in any situation, how to help others, how to help yourself. So a very informative session, but again too lengthy for just to be completed in one day. Nupur, you want to say hi to my audience? Shruti has already met. Yeah, that's why we have come to DP's. This is our fruit beer, and it's Shruti and my
And I'm
favorite.
waiting for some good food.
What have you ordered?
Idli vada,
And you?
masala,
And I've ordered pav bhaji.
cheese pav bhaji.
Yeah. Arey, but you will get popularity if you come in my vlog.
I am very much popular.
Guys, they're teaching us how to tie knots, and this is clearly not what they taught us. But
The person behind the creativity.
we are sitting here. In the end, we are sitting and doing this nonsense. And Nupur
Hello?
here is, seriously doing everything.
I am diligently doing everything.
Teach us now.
ग्रिप में उठाना है, कहाँ पे रखना है? थाइस के ऊपर, खड़े नहीं होना है। पूरा अप, ले लो थाइस के ऊपर, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। आप अपना राइट हैंड बाहर निकालो और ग्रिप करो ऊपर से। हाँ, आप छोड़ दो अभी, छोड़ दो आप छोड़ दो। उन्हें पकड़ा है। नाइस। पकड़ा है ना? आपका काम है ऐसे करने दो। छोड़ दो, छोड़ दो। आपका काम है आगे ना, पकड़ो उधर से।
Okay, so I'm back home from college. It's almost 7 now. I'm extremely tired because it was a very tiring day, but it was also like a fun, wholesome day. And today was actually our official last day of college. We had like the last day of exams was the vlog that I posted. So that was actually, that was also the last day of college because exam ended and everything. But then we had like our research paper submission and vivas and all after that. And then today we had like a course that we had to complete, which we didn't know about earlier. So today is officially the last day of college. I have to go another day. Because I'm a part of a cell for which we have elections for the upcoming year for the core. So since I'm in the core, I have to go. So that will be the last day for me and the other cell members. But today was like the official last day for everyone in college, the entire batch. And we clicked some pictures. And yeah, it was really wholesome. It's sort of hitting me now, but I'm trying to avoid those thoughts because I'll get emotional. But yeah, I'll of course meet them and stay in touch. I'll also try to vlog elections of the cell. Before that, I'm having galati kebab, vegetarian one, which is made by my mother. So I'll just show it to you all. Just look at these yummy galati kebabs. So tasty. They look yummy. Let me try them. So as I said, my new frames are here, and oh my god, I just love the way it looks on my wall. All 3 of them I made. Obviously I saw the quotes online, but I made the entire thing. So this says do well, live well, dress well, and it's all something that I believe in and would like to believe in actually. Then these are some rules that you should follow if you're in this room. And this is again a beautiful quote that says you cannot change the cards you're dealt with, just the way you play the hand. Love it. It's actually officially the last day for me and the other cell members, because as I said, today we have the core elections for the cell that I'm a part of for the next year, who will be the part of the core. And with that, we'll end college life. We'll have to go maybe here and there for the mark sheet and stuff, but like technically it's over today. It's the 1st of May, so with the beginning of May, we are ending college life. And we're all wearing Indian today because the code decided that we'll wear Indian and the rest of them have to wear formals with blazers and everything. This is a new kurta. I wore it for the first time. I didn't even know if it would fit me, but it has, and it's super cute. And this cute boho bag. I'm waiting in my car only because none of my fellow co-members, like my friends, have come yet. I've reached very early. I left at 8:20 thinking that I would take a good amount of time to reach, but I've reached early. So yeah, waiting for everyone to come so that I can go, because even the room will be locked. So just waiting for everyone.
Hey, Ashish! Are khali.
He is not looking. For the first time ever, Ashish is before time, not on time.
Oh my god, please.
Thank you for this honor.
There's also going to be a vlog on YouTube, so do you want to say something on the last day?
We are signing off as the placement cell
We
code.
did it, people.
Yes, three of them are not there, but I have to rush. So happy.
Outro.
Bye. Say like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe to Rashi's channel.
Bye.